Namaskar also. Good morning to all of you. Today is 15 January and it's an Indian Army Day. We'll talk about this topic in this vlog. I hope you all have done your workout. Every year 15 January is celebrated as the Indian Army Day. We'll know in detail that how that this day become the Indian Army Day and what's the importance of this day and other significance of this day and history and all the other things. वर्कआउट ज़्यादा नहीं किया, थोड़ा सा किया है पर लेट हो गया आज. Anyway, so in Indian Army Day since 1949, India started to celebrate this day as Indian Army Day, as KM Kariappa, the first Lieutenant General of India, who took the charge of Chief of Indian Army, and since the independence of our country in 1947, the real transfer of power was supposed to be held on this day of 15 January, when the British General Francis Butcher transferred the charge of Indian Army to Lieutenant General KM Kariappa, and he was General Kariappa was also honored as the second Field Marshal for his heroic role in Indo-Pak War for 1947. First Field Marshal was given to Sam Manekshaw. Since then, Indian Army used to celebrate this as a Indian Army Day. We should not forget, and it's a day to remember and to acknowledge the services of our soldier, since they are the one who are saving our boundaries, our nation, whether it's internal or external threat. They are the one who stand for us, for all of the countrymen, and only that's why we all the people used to sleep peacefully and used to we all the different rights, human right, fundamental right, all these rights we can enjoy only if we have strong army. You see what happened to those nations whose army given up, just like Afghanistan, what you have seen. So it's important to acknowledge and to remember that the services of our Indian Army is giving is not less worthy at all. So it's the day in which Indian Army honor all the gallantry and all the award winners and all the personnel who have given the services to the nation. On this day, on the Kariappa ground, which is at Delhi, Indian Army perform parade, and the official Twitter handle of Indian Army ADGPI has posted that from 10:30 onward they will live telecast the parade and all the event which will be held at Karepia ground in the remembrance of this and in the celebration of this day, Indian Army Day. People usually forget. People have a habit. Most of the people, they post patriotic slogan, Indian flag on 26 January and 15 August. But the very next day they forget. And if I request all of the people to respect the soldier of the nation. Those who forget their soldier, the nation are also forgotten. It's the history since ancient time, where the army, the whomsoever the ruler was in the ancient time, who has a great army and the great fighter survive long. We should not think that how much our government is just making the expenditure over these army personnel, and why they are getting so facilities like canteen and other things. Some people also, some liberal or I would say that some pseudo intellectual people raise finger over the expenditure of our budget towards our national security. They are those people who just sit in the AC cabin and just used to comment. And those who say that a pen has more power than a bullet, that person must have not encountered with the automatic rifle or must not have faced the AK-47. When the bullet goes just from just near to the eyes, you know that which power has the great impact, whether it's pen or it's bullet. It's quite easy to raise the finger over our soldier when some incident happened, like the Nagaland, but they keep silent when the human rights. Don't our soldier have any human right when the people just throw stones? And what not they have done? We have seen in the last that Indian Army suffer huge, not Indian Army, but of course all the soldiers, because all the soldiers wear the uniform and they stood for the nation, whether it's BSF, CRPF, ITBP, police, state police, and even the home guard. They are just to maintain the law and order. We should not forget they stood for the peace and harmony. This is the order which all the citizens have to maintain. If there won't be any order, then you know what will happen. The powerful will get everything, and the weaker will have to give up. So it's Indian Army Day. I think I have covered most of the aspect of this day. Although Indian Army was raised by the British since 1895, it was raised by the British, and since then it was under the rule of British since 1949. Only in the 1949 India get the transfer of power by the British General Francis Butcher, who transferred the position of Indian Army General to KM Cariappa. Since that day, we used to celebrate this day as Indian Army Day. On this day, we usually respect and honor all the great soldiers who sacrificed their life for the nation. I have did my workout around 2.5 kilometers I have covered, and some stretching. Main important thing is that you have to continue your workout and you have to continue your habit. Make it a habit. Once you make the habit of your workout, you'll enjoy. And don't forget to stretch your all the body parts, whether it's neck, because most of the people now used to carry the mobile phone around the day. The most impacted is your neck. So you should at least spare 5 to 10 minutes for your neck. Try to do some push-up and try to stretch your neck whenever you get the time. Especially it gives good result when your body is warm up. And you should not sit just after the workout. And you might have noticed that whenever I used to do running and after the workout and doing the vlog also, I don't usually sit and or stand while speaking for the vlog. I usually used to walk, so that the blood circulation, which has just active and will remain through the body. And till the time of around 20 to 30 minutes, you should not sit, just immediate after the workout. We have seen that people who go to gym, they carry and they lift heavy weight, and what they did after lifting the heavy weight, they just usually sit over a chair or a sofa, and that I think is a futile work, and that's good for nothing. Instead, go to the outside and outdoor, go into the nature lab. Maybe it won't look fancy. People usually attack towards the glittering light of the gym, and they usually have a habit to watch themselves, their body, their growing toned body inside the mirror. But instead of that, if you are outside and outdoor, and if you have a glimpse of and outside your eyes, you have so much greenery and green trees and green grass, and you have the direct impact of sunlight on your body, on your face. It gives good result. Today is Saturday and I have some more time than usually, so I thought that just have some words with camera. There are some more news and good news. I was reading an article about the Indian passport, which has gained around 7 position, and now it's ranked 83. Earlier in 2021 it was ranked 90. So India has gained a ranking in the passport index, which obviously represent, and it's a symbol that those who are holding Indian passport will have access almost 60 countries without applying a particular and a specific visa to those countries. And the top rankers in the passport index, which has released by Henley, some agency named Henley, which used to give the ranking to passport to the countries like US, and those who hold the passport of US, Singapore and Japan, they can almost cover 180 countries in the world without applying to a specific passport to that countries. And on the other side, on the flip side, our neighbor country Pakistan has been declared as the fourth worst, fourth uh, uh, at from the lower side of ranking. They are at the fourth rank. So their index is passport. Their index has really have really depreciate, and they are the fourth worst country in the passport index. So this was all from Hit Fit Alawat, and I wish happy Army Day. Respect the soldier, respect the nation, and give the time for your body. And watch the live telecast at ADGPI from the time 10:30, the parade. Okay, have a nice day.